Hi, I hope you're all doing great. Let's begin with the introduction. Here is the first chord, and I suggest that you play these notes exactly like the original. So, you will start by playing the bass note of A sharp with the combination F and D, which you will play 3 times with 2 bass notes. 1, 2, 3. Then, bass note of A and the combination F and C once. Then the bass note of G, and just like you did for the first line, you play the F and the D 3 times. Then the bass note of F and FC once. Then the bass note of D sharp with the combination of F and D sharp. So 1, 2, 3, and then F and A sharp. And eventually you go back to the F, this time playing the F and the D. F, C, A sharp, A, F. Slowly it should sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And at normal speed it should sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You now reach the first verse, which will be played with a new chord. Let me display it to you and you will have your first chords. First, the D sharp major, composed of the D sharp, the G, and the A sharp, and the bass note of D sharp. Then, the A sharp major over D, composed of the D, the F, and the A sharp, and the bass note of D. But you will also have the same chord with its standard bass, the A sharp bass. Then, you will have the G minor, composed of the D, the G, and the A sharp, and the bass note of G. And you will also have the F major over A, composed of the C, the F, and the A, and the bass note of A. But in the second section, you will also have the F major with the standard F bass, and the C minor 7, composed of the C, the D sharp, and the A sharp, and the bass note of C. And this time, I suggest you play like this. You will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So on 1, bass and chord. On 2 and 3, you play nothing. On 4, you play the chord alone. And on 5 and 6, you play nothing. It should sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. And now with the lyric. Heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid? And on the syllable "frayed" of the word "afraid," you will repeat this first section once before moving on to the second section. How can I love when I'm afraid to fall, but watching you stand alone? All of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. And now you reach the chorus of this song and you will need a new chord. So here it is, and I will continue with the next lyric. I've died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. And at this moment, moment, you will move to the second section with the D sharp major played 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Before moving on to the second verse. And to play this second verse, you could simply reuse the corresponding chord and play it in pressed chords, but you could also play these chords using arpeggios. So here's a readapted chart for this new method, and this time you will play like this. You will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for the indicated number of times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So where it says 0.5, you will simply play the first 2 notes of the chord. So the F major over A, then the A sharp major. And to continue the chord. Time stands still, beauty in all she is. I will be brave, I will not let anything take. And on the word take, you will replay this first section once and then move on to the second section. Anything take away what's standing in front of me. Every breath, every hour has come to this. One step closer. And you reach the chorus again. So here's the readapted chart for this section, and note that you will play this chart twice in a row.
I have died every day waiting for you, darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. All alone.
And you repeat this chart a second time, and after that you will reach an interlude and you will be able to play it using the chorus chart but with a little twist. So here's the corresponding chart, and it starts just like the chorus with the same chord order, but note that a second section has been added, and you will play like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One step closer. One step closer. And at that moment, you can go back to the chorus chart, but you will have a new subtle variation. Here's the chart, and the first section corresponds to the vocal part, so I will jump to the second section because that is where the variation is, since the first section is identical. I wish you good luck for this song, and I will see you very soon in the next one.